Hi folks, today we're going to be installing a Tusk full chassis skid plate on a 2018 Yamaha Raptor. You can see it here on the floor. That's all wet and full of snow. One on this side is obviously the full Tusk, and this one here is the plastic one that came with it. This plastic one, I had the one on the swing arm. The swing arm one broke the first time out. This one here, we'll see if we can take a look at the bottom of it, flip it over, but it's obviously all muddy, but you can see here it's got a lot of deep gouges in it already. Right here is a big old scrape. That's just one time out. This Tusk one here, you're not going to have that problem. I mean, if you look at the size of that thing, look how thick that is. I think it's supposed to be 3/16 of an inch thick. It's going to bolt up in the same spot. It also includes a little front piece. This goes all the way up underneath your front, the front part up there between the swing arms. So you're going to have some protection up there too. So this is going to be a lot better, a lot stronger. I thought this plastic one here would last. When I got it home, again, the swing arm one broke the first time out, so I put aluminum one on that one already. And when I was under there changing it, I looked at this one, and this one was, on its last leg the first trip out. And I'm not rock crawling or anything. I think I went through a stream one time, probably hit some rocks, and then just was out in the forest, going down some trails. So not very strong. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get this installed, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like, but it should go pretty easy. It does come there with a bag of hardware, so everything should be ready to go, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get it on. Okay, so I got this on. You see there, it just bolts a couple of spots here, one here. These got some clamps I'll show you in a minute. Those two bolts right there are the stock ones. See if you can get down here. There's the original bolts as well. They give you all new ones, but you can see the plate. It goes all the way up front, up underneath the swing arms. You can see here, that thing isn't going anywhere whatsoever there, and it covers there pretty close to the swing arm, gives you just a little bit of room, so it fits good with your swing arm guard. Yeah, this is pretty nice. It's got your oil hole there to drain, so yeah, very, very heavy duty. Okay, this is the top view here with a shifter. You can see here this little clamp. Those back holes on the very bottom, you stick a screw up there, there's a little spacer, then you got this little clamp, and it just screws down and holds around your frame. There's one on the other side. Come up here a little bit, bring the light up, I don't trip over and kill myself. You can see there, one right there between the, yeah, it's hard to see it, right there between the front A-arms there. It clamps to the front too. So really good skid plate. That's the Tusk skid plate for a 2018 Raptor. Highly recommend it. You don't want to use that stock one. Again, here's the stock one right here. That is just terrible. That won't last. So definitely recommend the Tusk one. It's heavy duty, solid steel. It's made out of aluminum actually there. I don't know how you get it much stronger, and the price is certainly right with those products. That's the third Tusk thing that I got. I really like those. Anyway, that's a Tusk skid, full chassis skid plate for a 2018 Raptor.